How to fix account region on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone. Now you have to open the app in your Android and you can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. At the bottom you will see different options like home, friends, plus option, inbox and the profile. You just have to click on the profile option and this type of screen will appear. At the right top corner there are three lines. Just click on it and click on the settings and privacy. Now you can see there is an option of the account here. You have to click on the account here, and before this just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on the account information and in this way you can fix your account region. Click on the account region that appeared here and different types of regions will appear here. You have to select according to your life. I have to select Pakistan, that is already selected. In this way you can change or you can fix the problem of the account region on your TikTok device. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.